YouTube, what is up? I am back with a brand new video. Now here today I'm gonna be reviewing the off-white rubber dunks. Now these just dropped, I want to say last week on the 1st or the 2nd, I believe. Now when I found out that I won the raffle on these, I found out like a couple days after that, so it was like the 4th or the 5th, and I didn't end up getting them until today, which is the 15th. Now I am super excited about the sneaker. I've been like following the sneaker ever since I seen like the leaked photos of it. Now I know a lot of people saying that this shoe is mid, or oh, these are not hot, these are not it, they're doing too much with the dunks. I think this is really great that Nike created a brand new silhouette just for Virgil, and there was 3 colorways. This colorway in particular is the US colorway because I am in America. Then they had the UK pair, which is like a UNC colorway. It's silver, white, blue. Then you have the Asia pair, which is the University Gold, and that comes with all types of different yellows and golds, and also a black sole. But this pair is the green stripe pair, they call them, and these come fully decked out all black with hints of green on the outsole rubber tab where the air bubble is placed, which you normally don't see that on dunks, so that is really cool. The Nike check swoosh is like a rubberized check, and it's kind of like an outline. That is lime green also, and we have green accents going around the shoes and little rubber compartments and different things like that. And I just want to say this colorway is really sick. I wasn't sure how I would feel about them until I saw them in person, and I think this colorway is really great. Now I was like, the green is kind of out there, but honestly, like, I love these. I feel like I can wear these every single day, which Virgil kind of designed this one in particular to be like his everyday shoe, like the one shoe that he would go for, like, out of all of them. And I would agree, like, out of all the colorways, this one is probably the one that's the most wearable in my opinion. But the UNC colorway is really dope also. But yeah, let's get into the shoe, man. So here we have the Nike tag itself. It's not like your normal Nike tag that would say Nike Air or something like that on there. It actually says Nike Off, which is pretty interesting, and I thought that was pretty dope. I wish they would have did that on the back tab right here that says Nike Air. That would have been really dope, but I'm not complaining. But yeah, the back tab is like this new buckish suede type of material. They also put that material on the front of the shoe with a couple of little pieces of rubber right there, and these are all like meant for just like skateboarding and doing different tricks and being able to control the board with these like rubber grips that are on like the parts of the shoe. So it's just like really practical. And I know a lot of people have been saying these are like heavier than like normal dunks, which I don't really feel that much of a difference. Maybe like some pieces like of like the rubber are making it a little bit feel like a little bit bulkier, but not really. I honestly think that this design is really dope to put mesh on a dunk. We have never seen that. We have never seen like a really fat exposed SB dunk tongue. So this is like really interesting to me because it gives you the like the SB feel from the tongue, but it also gives you like more of like a Jordan 1 or like what they done with the Blazers type of feel also. And I thought that was pretty interesting on the shoe as well. And I just really think it's dope how they blended different types of shoes and different pieces of shoes all together to make this one dunk. Now, my opinion on these were, I had to wait to see them before like I like totally like judged them. I know a lot of people were like just shitting on them straight out the gate, But as it came more up to closer to the release date, they really grew on me, and I really wanted a pair, and I was just pretty excited that I hit the raffle on Namir, or however you pronounce it. Oh man, I know I butchered that name, but yep, I hit the raffle on there, which I forgot that I entered the raffles on these, because I just took my L on sneakers, and then I tried some other sites, Kit and all that other stuff, concepts. They're never reliable, so I don't really care about foot sites like that. Now, a lot of times with the GR shoes, it's easier to hit on foot sites, but when you got bots and it's just like once Off-White's name is attached to it, of course you're gonna get a bunch of people trying to bot them out. It's a bunch of things that they need to do with their sites as far as like these companies go, and bot protection. The resale, yeah, it's not really reselling, and I think that's cool. You know, not every shoe has to be a fucking $1,000, and not every shoe is gonna resell for crazy amounts of prices. Honestly, it's just like the same thing that goes with the Fragment 3s and a lot of the more recent drops, and that's a good thing. A lot of people will be able to obtain these things because they're not so expensive as like buying $1,000 shoe. Now, would I suggest buying these for resale? Um, yeah, I would say go for it if you're like really looking for like a nice dunk, a nice skateboarding shoe. I would say that these are really dope, and just really just a great sneaker overall. Even if you don't skateboard, if you're just like into like just the style of dunks and just like skateboard shoes. And I want to say thanks for watching the video. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned. I got more stuff coming up. I got more reviews coming up. Drop a like, comment, tell me if you copped or if you didn't cop. If you're thinking about copping, hit me up with any questions, and I'll be sure to answer them.